Yes, sir.
How we look?
Who looks good?
Can you
He looks good again? No, I want him.
Okay, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Steve, it's good to see you at this year's CCA event in Las Vegas, and one of our themes that we're covering this year is telecom software, and we're trying to really understand the nuances across the BSS, OSS ecosystem.
Yes, sir.
And Exacaster focuses on churn prediction. So can you talk about the company and specifically the solution and problem it's addressing?
Well, the company is based in Lithuania, which is an unbelievable hotbed for technology, especially in the telco and the wireless industry. And this company came to us to bring them into North America. We brought them in about a year ago, and we have current clients that are using the software to do the following. So predicting churn is a huge issue today. Most companies do it on their own, or the big companies have built their own systems. What the Exacaster product does is takes the information from the billing systems and actually, through its patented algorithms, builds a predictable churn program that allows you to sit there by the subscriber, even by the area, which subscribers are going to have the most likely prediction of churning. That could be for a variety of reasons. They could have an old handset, a bad rate plan, their coverage might be a little bit of an issue. So whatever the reason is, this software will then actually predict the churn of that subscriber. What it also includes is an upsell program. So it's a combination of marketing where it actually says, okay, well, Jeff is going to be churning. We think he's a high degree level of churning. Here's why we think he's going to churn. So let's put together a marketing sales program just for Jeff. Let's upgrade him to a better device. Let's give him a lower rate plan. Let's increase his text message minutes for the same amount of money because he's been overage every month on the text message. So it's a combination of understanding who's going to churn and the prediction of that, as well as then doing an upsell on the marketing side.
So how would a carrier purchase and implement this product when they're taking a module that's doing a very specific task for a carrier? What are the touch points and who's the buyer? Is it the CMO? Is it the care person, CIO?
Oh, that's a great question, and it's across the board. We just had Bluegrass Cellular here, and you had the marketing people, the operations people, the billing people, and of course the IT people. And because it touches the base of everybody, because you have to get all that billing information. How long it takes, the beginning is the hardest part because we have to get a history download from the CDR to be able to start to build a history and build the predictions of all the subscribers that are out there. But once that is there, it's live. So you're constantly getting upgrades and updates into the system. It is a SaaS-based model, so you can access it anytime you like. But if you look at it, the marketing people are going to be responsible, right? They want to reduce that churn. They want to keep those subscribers happy, trying to put together a good package for a subscriber. So it all really relates to each other, but the marketing and this upsell part of it is really, really critical.
So who are the users within a carrier on the churn predictor? Do the care people see it? And then does the system automatically trigger a promotion? And if so, how does it do it?
That's correct. It is all automated. So most of the time it's an outbound customer care person or somebody who's responsible for like an inside sales position that is now getting the information that Jeff is he has a high degree of churn. And then the program is basically all put together for that person in the sense that we also take data saying, here's all the phones you have, here's the new phones, here's what the upgrade policies are, here's what the rate plan options are. And so within the system, it actually builds a package for you to sell to Jeff to be able to hopefully keep him as a subscriber. But one of the questions that was just asked by a new carrier that's looking at the product was, how do we integrate to their CRM system? Because their customer care people actually use the CRM system to be able to control what's going on with the customer. And that would be a customization of being able to take an API from the CRM system that they're using and integrate it to us.
Well, Steve, over the next 12 months, what do you see as some of the major trends or challenges for niche solutions like Exacaster? In terms of adoption and implementation.
You hit it right on the head. It's all about adoption and understanding what we can do. So if you look at where carriers are going, churn and the reduction of churn still continues to be a big part because competition is there, and everybody's giving away, trade-ins and everything else that's involved. So we have to be able to provide a service to these second and third tier carriers that allow them to be extremely competitive, keep that base of subscribers, keep that churn level as low as possible. It's amazing what a small amount of numbers of churn that we can help them reduce provides as far as the revenue is concerned. The ROI for purchasing the Exacaster product is huge, and we've proven that with some of the clients that we've done. But the next 12 months is going to be education. We have to get out there we have a relationship with CCA. I announced that last year, where CCA is a partner of ours, a referral partner, and that helps a lot in getting the word out. But it's education. What can we do for companies? I think it's anybody in this industry right now, right? So the handset is the handset is the handset, and LTE is LTE. But what else can we do for carriers to increase and try and make them more money? And I think there's going to be some new products coming out, not only from us, but a lot of other people, that are going to allow carriers to look at new ways of being able to get recurring revenue stream models and controlling the customers a little bit more.
Steve, it's great to see you.
Thank you very much. Appreciate your time.
Sound like you know what you're talking about. Let me put